Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn some different types of animals. First we learn some sea animals name. Octopus lives in the water. This is octopus. Octopus is a sea animal. A sea turtle. A sea turtle. A sea turtle lives in the water. The next animal is alligator. This is alligator. The next one is a king crab. This is a king crab. The next animal is a whale. This is a whale fish. A dolphin. This is a dolphin. A lobster. The next one is a sea turtle. Let's learn some fun and weird animals. The first animal is a deer. The next one is a tiger. This is a tiger. The next one is a zebra. This is a zebra.
कोई भी इसे देख कर बोले
A hippo.
बाकी सब तो बगैर रोशनी